Why does bread need to rise twice during baking? The secret behind this double rise transforms simple dough into fluffy, flavorful bread you can't resist. The first rise, also called bulk fermentation, is when yeast wakes up and starts eating sugars in the dough. As it ferments, it releases carbon dioxide gas that gets trapped in the dough's gluten network. This causes the dough to puff up and grow. This step also helps develop the bread's flavor and texture, making the dough lighter and more elastic for shaping. Once the dough has risen the first time, it's punched down and shaped into its final form. This knocks out excess gas and redistributes yeast and sugars. The second rise, or proofing, lets the gluten relax and the yeast produce more gas, creating tiny bubbles that give bread a fine, airy crumb. This step is crucial for that soft, open texture and makes the bread easier to slice. Skipping the second rise means denser, less flavorful bread. The two-step rising process balances gluten development and gas production, resulting in bread with a crisp crust and a soft, chewy inside. This double fermentation also develops complex flavors that single rising can't achieve. So that extra weight is worth it for bakery-quality bread at home. Now you know why bread needs to rise twice during baking. This simple double-rise technique turns basic dough into a delicious masterpiece with amazing texture and flavor. If you love unlocking everyday mysteries like this, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.